Hello and welcome to episode 282 of the Daily Sales Message podcast, where every single day I share a piece of simple and actionable advice that's designed to help you feel more confident and sell more stuff. Going to get straight into it today with one of my most favorite catchphrases of all time, one of my most favorite sayings, aphorisms, whatever you want to call it, and it's simply this: don't chase them, replace them. Don't chase them, replace them. So many of the clients and students I've worked with, people I've trained, etc., respond so positively to that statement. Don't chase them, replace them. And what it pertains to is not spending too much time chasing up bad prospects and things where you're very unlikely to actually do any business, and to put more effort into finding new people. So don't chase down the people you're already talking to, replace them with more people, top up your funnel. This doesn't mean we don't follow people up at all. We don't chase people at all. We do, but we do it intelligently. We do it in an intelligent, value-led way. We're not checking in, we're not touching base, none of that nonsense. We're doing it in a very, very particular way, but don't chase them. We're not going to endlessly chase and follow people up. We're going to replace them. We're going to find more people. And the reason it works so well, I think, is because it's just an empowering message. It reminds you as a seller that you have the ability to change everything about your business and everything that you're doing. You don't need to succumb to the scarcity mindset and worrying about where your next deal is going to come from. You are in control. Don't chase and replace them. Put your effort into finding 10, 20, 50, 100 more potential clients rather than sending endless chase up and follow up emails to the few people you're already dealing with. Right, nice, short and sweet one today. Don't chase and replace them. Tomorrow in episode 283, we're talking about the thing that has to come before conversion, and it actually leads to conversion. It could be offline, it could be online, it could be done digitally, it could be done in person. I don't know why I'm moving my head like that, but I'll tell you more in tomorrow's episode. In the meantime, if you haven't already, hop on over to sellingconfidencescore.com. There is a 20 yes/no question 2-minute quiz. It will tell you how well you're doing at selling across the 4 main areas of selling. And more importantly, it will give you a customized, personalized action plan of where you need to improve and what to do that is free and actionable and simple. So head on over to sellingconfidencescore.com. In the meantime, thank you for listening or watching all the way to the end. I do appreciate it. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the Daily Sales Message.